Turn a chilly room into a cozy one. Introducing the Electric Fireplace Stove by ThermoMate. This electric fireplace gives warmth, ambience, and style to any room of up to 400 feet. Set the mood with realistic LED flame effects. Easily adjust the brightness and temperature with a touch of a button. Your ThermoMate quietly diffuses heat without smoke, ash, or burning. Reliable, safe, energy efficient. It has a built-in safety thermal cutoff switch that will automatically shut off the appliance, preventing overheating or damage. Stays cool to touch, making it safe to operate around children and pets. Your perfect centerpiece during cool Christmas evenings or on your romantic date night. Warm up with ThermoMate.